What is going on, everyone? It's McKelly from RV Talk, and today we're checking out this spacious Class A gas motorhome. This is the Winnebago Adventurer 35F. This RV has so much to offer, so let's check it out. Alright, so we are here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show taking a look at the Winnebago Adventurer 35F. This RV has so much to offer, but before we tour it, let's take a quick look at the specs. So you have a total length of 35 feet 5 inches, a total height of 12 feet 6 inches, you have a total gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds, and this Class A gas motorhome sleeps 5. Alright, so starting on the outside of this RV, you have a 16-foot awning. You do have one slide out, an outdoor TV, and then you have your decals on the back that say Adventurer, and then you have a ladder on the very back of this motorhome, and this right here is a really nice paint job. I really like the colors, and then you have some underbelly storage along both sides of this motorhome, but it isn't pass-through storage because this is a gas motorhome. I'm ready to head inside this RV, so let's check it out. Alright, so stepping inside of this motorhome, you've got really nice front driving area. Seats are really nice. You've got huge windows on both sides. And then check this out, you got a full drop-down bed above the front cabs. That's a really nice extra sleeping spot. And then over here real quick, you've got a storage space up here. It's mainly just a lot of electrical components. And then let's check out the dinette. Now this right here, really large. It's a very wide dinette. It's got a lot of cabinet space up above. And then you've got some cup holders set in the table. And this right here, I believe, drops down into a full bed. And you've got seat belts here so you can sit here going down the road. Over here, you've got a really long sofa. Now, this does not look like a trifold sofa. Yeah, it's just theater seating. So, unfortunately, this right here isn't a bed, but it definitely can seat quite a bit. And you do have heat and massage on these. So that is a pretty amazing feature. All right, so now let's head to the back bedroom and see what it has to offer. Alright, so it looks like, to me, this right here looks like a king-size bed. So you got windows on each side of the bed, and then looks like, let's see, yeah, you got some cabinet space up above, and then over here you have a large shower. Oh wow, yeah, this is huge. Alright, let's see. This is pretty amazing. Huge sink, faucet. Over here you've got some cabinet space, and then you've got a vent fan in the ceiling. Towel holder, and then let's see, yeah, probably no washer and dryer in this motorhome. Oh wait, no, you do have it, but you have to install it. It's not prepped, it looks like. So yeah, that is something that you could definitely install if you were on the road full time. But yeah, pretty large cabinet there, and then you've got some drawers down here. Oh wow, that's not a drawer, that is a full drop down laundry basket. That is really cool. Please tell me this is a drawer. Yep, alright, so we got a drawer here. Another one over here, and then you've got another one, those really large cabinets. You've got a TV in the middle. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is amazing. I mean, I've noticed this a lot at the RVs at the show this year. There is cabinets just all down, the cabinet space in these RVs are getting more and more, and it's nice to see. Over here you've got your Winnebago control for basically controlling the whole RV. Got a little cabinet space there. Pretty good sized TV. I'd say it looks about 40-inch maybe. And then you've got drop down cabinet down below. And then you've got a fireplace. So that's really nice. It's a nice little setup. Sits directly across from the couch. Let's see what the view would be. Yeah, this is pretty good. So this right here is from, oh man, I'm not gonna get up. Oh wow, the massage feels good. The heat is nice. It's a little bit cold today here in Florida at the Florida RV Super Show, but let's get back to the tour. No time for sitting. Over here you've got a huge residential size refrigerator, a large freezer on the top, and then you've got your refrigerator on the bottom. Man, this is huge. Yeah, this is really nice. And then you've got your latch for the road. Large residential size microwave. And you've got your cooktop. Pull out drawers beneath here. And more pull out drawers. Large farmhouse sink. And you've got a large space under here. Got some more cabinets up here. Yeah, pretty nice. And then the backsplash is only above the stovetop. So let's see what you got down here. So you've got, looks like maybe some lighting options. Yep. So if I press it, see those lights turn on and off. So that's pretty nice. Then you've got some controls down here. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this motorhome. Let me know what you guys think about this motorhome in the comments. And subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. There's so many more RVs to check out, so until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.